Alrighty. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different because I filmed this entire video, girl. I've been talking, I've been yapping my butt off. And turns out, as soon as I got to post-production, there is no audio. I don't know what the heck is going on here, but I'm not going to scrap the video. So what we're going to do is do a different style, a little bit of a like gamer style. I don't know why I'm calling it gamer, but it feels gamer to me. So we're going to do a little gamer reaction type of style video. So that way I can still get this out for you guys because it was a cute makeup look. I just don't have no audio. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump into today's video. But first, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up because I could have scrapped it, but I didn't. So please, please give me grace here. Give me grace. We're going to go ahead and jump into the video. So first I'm going to start off with my Sunday Riley Pink Drink Face Mist. This is like skincare part 2 for me, just so that we have a nice foundation to work with. And as you guys can see, I am running out of the Milk Hydro Grip. Girl, I love that stuff. I put that on everything, okay? I love the Hydro Grip. So I don't know why, but today I decided to go with the Rare Beauty foundation. And as you guys can see, the foundation is a bit golden. Like this is giving summertime and I'm clearly winter pale. So I should have opted to at least use my blue mixing pigment, but I didn't. I just decided to keep on going. And what I did decide to do though was grab my Rare Beauty concealer. And the reason I grabbed the concealer is because as you guys can see, the color difference is dramatic. So the concealer has no like goldenness to it. So I was like, okay, this might balance everything out. The Kosas, way too golden for this look. I would have looked like an Oompa Loompa. So clearly that's why we did not use that today. But again, I'm using this Rare Beauty one to try to balance out what is going on here. So as you guys can see, I am also using my Rare Beauty brush. This is gonna be tough because I'm not gonna edit this, but I love this brush because it's very dense, it's very targeted, but it also just blends out all the concealer in a very nice and seamless way. Now, I personally like this because it does help me not get concealer too much around the face, but you know, use whatever brush you have. And this brush is also not expensive, but it is a little bit expensive. So again, use what you have, but if you're looking for a new concealer brush, that one is pretty good. Tried and true, our favorite over here, the LYS contour stick. I love this stick. It is amazing if you're wearing foundation or if you're just doing it on bare skin, girl. This is going to blend out like butter. Like, look at this. It's butter. It's giving butter, and I love it. I cannot get enough of this contour stick. I have not had to replenish it yet. I'm sure it's coming soon, but I'll buy this 30 times over because it's just that good. Get you some. Now, for this makeup look, clearly it seems like a trend is Rare Beauty because next thing you know, here I am with the Rare Beauty blushes and we are going in with 2 different colors. So we're going in with Grace and we're going in with Joy. Grace is the newest one that I have that is matte, and Joy is this one right here that is dewy, or yeah, dewy. So I'm doing this sunset trend that was on TikTok where you do the blush and you like kind of do it in a gradient. And so you do the darker color in the front and then it fades, no, vice versa, in the back, and then the lighter color in the front. Now, Joy blends beautifully. Take your time. Grace, the matte, hurry up. She's not waiting for anybody, so you would definitely want to be mindful of that. I would not recommend doing this on top of powders because Grace is not forgiving. Now, I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder. I love this powder. It's just very flawless. It gives a very nice, seamless, like powdered, flawless kind of filter to the skin. I say powdered because it just seamlessly blends everything together, but it is just amazing. I love it. And I'm also using the Kosas Cloud Set powder. So this is one of the new powders that I talked about in the Sephora haul. I got this because my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish was giving summertime. It was too dark. So I was honestly also skeptical because there was not like a super large shade range from Kosas for this powder, but it worked out perfectly. This powder is very lightweight. It's very soft. It does give you a cloud like natural kind of look to the skin and doesn't give you a lot of coverage, but it gives you something. And so I think this is going to be a great powder that I'm going to continue to use and give you guys my feedback on. We're going to take our Ace Beauty Blush in Paradise eyeshadow blush palette, not eyeshadow, blush palette, and we're going to go ahead and kind of mimic that same, what is it? The Girl, I'm talking real fast. What was that? The sunset makeup look. And then we're gonna set our face. So we're going in with the MAC Mineralized. Oh my gosh, we're going in with the MAC Fix Plus and then the Charlotte Tilbury. Now, the Anastasia eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, like, do I want it to be eyeshadow? No. We're going in with the eye pot. This is the gel eyeliner, and then I'm showing you guys my new Sephora brush. I got this brush because it's tilted. It got a little angle to it, and that's going to be very helpful for what?
Oh, my bad. I thought you were straight.
You were so fired. I'm creating, oh my gosh, this video is a mess. I am creating a wing, but watch how I get in that corner. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, look at that corner. Look at that inner corner. Any other product, it would have ran. It would have ran already. This is so cute. I love it. Now I'm going in with my Ami Colé mascara. I love this mascara, girl. Cake it on. Cake it on. You can cake it on. It doesn't even really get too cakey. But I love it. I love that kind of, you know, thick mascara look. And then I, of course, go ahead and apply it to the bottom. And honestly, guys, this is it. This is the final look. Girl, she's beat. I wish I looked like that right now. This video has been a mess. I've talked very fast. A lot of stuff has been going on, obviously. And like I said, I'm not chopping it. You're getting what you get. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I do post on Fridays. But if you can't remember that, just hit that notification bell and you will get notified every time I post the video. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Lemonade. And my website, l.co.com. They'll all be linked down below so you can just click and follow. But thank you. Thank you so much for being here. I know this was crazy and maybe a mess. Maybe you liked it. Let me know down in the comments and I'll see you guys in my next video.